guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Sharice. Subscribe so you can become part of the family. I feel like this makeup look just came together so nicely. I am definitely feeling myself, okay? I'm mad that I'm not even going anywhere because I look good. So for today's video, I have this look right here. So it's like a little date night kind of vibe. That's the vibe that it's giving me. You know, I'm about to Netflix and chill for tonight, so this is the look that we're going for. Since I can't go anywhere, I'm just gonna do my makeup to be in the house, period. Feel good while I'm in the house, okay? So yeah, this is the look that I have for you guys. If you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. Yeah, so I'm going into my Morphe 35O2 palette. Morphe 35O2 palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade first. I'm sorry if the lighting is bad. It's really bright. So I'm just dipping into this shade right here. And you want to make sure you're blending that out and upwards into your brows. I do sometimes make the mistake of not blending my transition shade out, but just practice to like fix the mistakes that you know you make. So yeah, just make sure you blend this part out, which is your transition shade. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here in my crease area. I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I use for the transition shade and just blend the crease shade. And make sure you blend out the edges too, because yes, I know I'd be messing up on that too. But the more you practice, the more you get better. And that's all that matters, boo. So now I'm just gonna go in with this darker shade right here to just bring everything together and darken it up. Then we're gonna go back in with the first shade, that orangey shade, and just blend that together. So now that we've blended that out, I'm gonna go back in. I'm actually gonna go in with this shade right here to go on top of my lid. We're gonna do winged liner, so that little piece of lid space doesn't really matter, but you do need to put this eyeshadow there though. Then I'm gonna go in with this gold shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. I'm gonna put that right in the inner corner, and I do kind of like take it past my eye, so like right here. So now for a wing liner, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Master Precise All Day liquid liner. And we're gonna make our and then you want to prep your lashes with some mascara before you put the falsies on, so they have like a good foundation to sit on. If if you want like more of a detailed video of how I do my lashes, I'll link that in the description box so you can watch that video too, so you can learn how to put on some bomb lashes. Because literally, like, look at the difference of when you have no lashes on and when you have lashes on. Like, it just makes your makeup look so much better when you have lashes on. Like, I feel like my face is not complete when I don't have some falsies on. So I'm going to be using this shade and this shade for under my eyes. Put the light orange shade first, then I darken it up with the darker shade. Black eyeliner. This is the NK. I just got this from my beauty supply store. It's just a black eyeliner. Doesn't matter what brand you use, as long as it's black. And just put some black liner under your eyes, on your waterline. Then add some mascara, and I'm using the Tarte Big Eagle. So after I do that, I'm gonna just finish up with my wing and just do like my little cat eye in the inner corner. Ever since I started doing this, ever since I started doing like the inner eye eyeliner, I have not changed. Like, I can't do it without it. Like, I do it like maybe like once or twice, but you wanna see how I got my hair all nice and curly like this, just let me know either Instagram or in the comments down below, and let me know if you want to see how I did this hair, because I'm not really sure if you guys want to see mainly hair videos or makeup videos or a combination of both. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.